Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate guide to creating beautiful and functional living spaces. Today, we address a fundamental aspect of outdoor living, the hardscape landscaping design ideas and inspiration. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Many homeowners overlook the structural elegance that hardscaping provides, often focusing solely on soft, plant-based elements. We are here to rectify that oversight. Hardscape landscaping encompasses the non-living, structural elements of your outdoor space. It is the architectural foundation upon which your garden is built. Think of it as the skeleton that defines the shape and function of your yard. This includes patios, walkways, retaining walls, fire pits, water features, and any other constructed feature that is not vegetation. Hardscaping provides permanence, functionality, and aesthetic structure, creating defined spaces for living and entertaining. It is the strategic integration of these elements that allows for a cohesive and visually appealing outdoor environment. The selection of materials, such as stone, brick, concrete, or wood, is crucial in establishing the desired aesthetic and ensuring durability. A well-designed hardscape enhances the usability of your outdoor space, making it a true extension of your home. The necessity of thoughtful hardscape design stems from its ability to enhance both the practical and aesthetic aspects of your property. Proper hardscaping increases property value by creating usable, attractive outdoor living spaces. It provides structural support, preventing soil erosion and managing water runoff. Furthermore, it defines pathways and zones, ensuring efficient traffic flow and organized spaces for various activities. A well-planned hardscape minimizes maintenance, reducing the need for constant upkeep that often accompanies purely plant-based landscapes. It establishes a solid foundation for your overall landscape design, allowing you to layer in softer elements like plants and flowers to create a balanced and harmonious environment. The strategic placement of hardscape elements can also create visual focal points, adding depth and interest to your yard. In essence, it transforms a simple outdoor space into a functional and visually stunning extension of your home. How does one tastefully decorate their backyard using hardscape landscaping design to achieve a refined aesthetic? Decorating your backyard with hardscape elements to achieve a sophisticated look requires a strategic approach. Begin by defining your spaces. Consider the flow of traffic and the intended use of each area. Utilize materials that complement your home's architecture and the surrounding environment. Incorporate varying textures and levels to create visual interest. For instance, a multi-tiered patio with stone steps can add depth and dimension. Integrate built-in seating or a fire pit to create a focal point for social gatherings. Lighting is also crucial. Strategically placed pathway lights or uplighting can highlight architectural features and create ambience. Consider adding water features like a small fountain or a reflecting pool to introduce movement and sound. Finally, ensure that your hardscape elements are scaled appropriately to the size of your backyard. Overly large features can overwhelm a small space, while undersized elements may appear insignificant in a vast yard. What are the most effective items for backyard hardscape landscaping design? Selecting the right items for your backyard hardscape is essential for achieving both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Here are 10 key elements to consider. 1. Patios. Constructed from stone, brick, or concrete, patios provide a solid surface for outdoor living and entertaining. 2. Walkways. Defined pathways guide foot traffic and add structure, using materials like pavers, gravel, or stepping stones. 3. Retaining walls. Prevent soil erosion and create leveled areas, often built with stone or concrete blocks. 4. Fire pits. Serve as a focal point for gatherings, constructed from stone, brick, or metal. 5. Water features. Fountains, ponds, or waterfalls add tranquility and visual interest. 6. Outdoor kitchens. Built-in grills, countertops, and sinks enhance outdoor cooking and dining experiences. 7. Pergolas and arbors. Provide shade and vertical interest, often constructed from wood or metal. 8. Built-in seating. Benches or walls integrated into the landscape offer comfortable seating options. 9. Lighting. Pathway lights, spotlights, and string lights illuminate the space and highlight features. 10. Decorative walls and fences. Define boundaries and add privacy, constructed from materials that complement the overall design. Each of these elements contributes to the functionality and aesthetic of your backyard. The key is to select materials and designs that harmonize with your home's architecture and your personal style. A well-executed hardscape design is fundamental to creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing outdoor space. By carefully considering the materials, layout, and purpose of each element, you can transform your backyard into an extension of your home that you will enjoy for years to come. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless blend of structure and nature, ensuring that your hardscape enhances, rather than overwhelms, the natural beauty of your surroundings. Thank you for joining us on Homes Decor Designs. We hope this information has provided you with valuable insights into hardscape landscaping design. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit. We look forward to bringing you more expert advice on home decor and design. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.